Hey guys, this is video 3. In this video we're going to cover setting up Portainer to manage your Docker containers and storing its settings on your FreeNAS host's NFS Share. So the first thing we're going to do is connect back to our Rancher VM via SSH. Alright, and then we're going to take the command from installing Portainer. We're going to skip this docker create volume for Portainer's data, and we're going to take this whole command. We're going to paste that in our SSH terminal and remove the $sign at the beginning, and we're going to add a couple things here. We're going to add, well, first off, we're going to change Portainer data to mount our NFS share and then Portainer, and we're going to change, we're going to set restart policy on the container to always, and then name our container Portainer so that it doesn't end up with a random generated name. And I think that's everything there. Hit start on that. It's going to download Portainer from the Docker Hub, and that should be up and running on our host now at the IP address we set for Rancher plus the port 9000. Oh, if your Rancher container started properly, you should see files in our mount NFS Portainer folder. That all belong to root, it looks like. Create a new password for the admin user on Portainer. And then click local right here. And we can ignore this part because this was already in our Docker setup command, or our Docker setup command for the container for Portainer. Click connect. And from that point, your endpoint should be right here, local. And you can come down here to containers and see our Portainer container running. And so under app templates, we'll see a bunch of templates that we can run, and under containers you could add any container you want using the settings to pull from the Docker Hub right here. And so that's all for this video. We're going to move on to setting up a container for transmission in the next video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.